B-roll is your secret weapon for making videos feel way smoother, and it truly saves you when you mess up on camera. Let's take a quick minute to explain what it actually is and how you can use it to level up your editing game. I'm going to walk you through a real workflow that mixes easy design assets with AI power to make your life a whole lot easier. The main part of any video is where your core message lives, whether that is you talking to the camera or a screen recording. B-roll is essentially anything you put on screen while your main audio continues to play. It is the visual glue that stops a video from feeling choppy or amateur. A lot of creators assume B-roll has to be cinematic or expensive, but for most content, it is actually super simple. It can be a stock clip, a photo, animated text, or even a short screen capture that supports your point. If you are already using design tools, you have easy B-roll options right at your fingertips. Head over to the Elements tab in your design software and search for keywords related to your topic. Click the View All button under Videos and you will find tons of clips to scroll through. I usually spend a minute hunting for something that matches the vibe of what I am saying. It does not need to be perfect, it just needs to be relevant. Nudge the clip length, crop it a bit, maybe speed it up or slow it down, and then export it for your edit. Be careful with premium icons if you are trying to stick to free resources, but there are always plenty of free clips mixed in. Where B-roll really shines is in covering up your edits. If you cut out filler words or a long pause, that jump can feel really jarring if you just snap two takes together. Putting a B-roll clip on top of that cut makes the transition completely invisible. Viewers do not notice the hard edit because their eyes are following a different image while your audio keeps rolling. It is a small trick that makes videos feel 10 times more professional without extra filming. Text can also be B-roll, and it is honestly quite underrated. Pop a short phrase on screen to reinforce what you just said. Use the text tool, type your line, and look for animation options to see how it moves. It can feel like a rabbit hole, but spend 5 minutes and you will get a feel for what matches your branding. If you plan to add movement later, export the text as a static image, but if you want motion, export it as a video file. This is clutch when your audio is fine, but something happened on screen that you don't want to show. Throw a text animation or a quick B-roll clip over it and boom, no more awkwardness. One thing I love that most creators miss is that photos are totally valid B-roll too. You can search for high-quality pictures and animate them inside your design app. That subtle Ken Burns style motion, like a slight zoom or pan, makes static photos read like video. It is perfect for bridging cuts or simply adding some visual interest. Now, here is where AI-driven tools come in and why they are such a low-key game changer. If you are working with long-form footage, like a live stream or an interview, finding the best bits can eat up all your time. AI tools can automatically find the viral moments and clip them into ready-to-post sections. Instead of scrubbing through hours of footage, these tools surface those highlights for you. That saves time, reduces decision fatigue, and helps you see where B-roll would be most useful. Think of a smooth workflow. Record a long video and let the AI pull out the top moments. Then, take those clips into your design tool for B-roll polish. Add supporting video clips, text overlays, or photo backgrounds where they are needed. The difference is that the AI does the heavy lifting of discovering the moments that deserve attention. Meanwhile, your design software gives you the creative control to dress them up visually. Another perk that helps creators stay consistent is auto-scheduling. Set how often you want to post and let the system queue your clips for you. Pair that with a content calendar and you basically have a one-stop shop to plan, modify, and publish across platforms. Compare that to manually exporting clips and uploading them to 3 different schedulers. It is honestly night and day for your productivity. I don't want this to sound like a commercial. It is just a tool that fixes a real pain point. Some creators over-index on one platform, which can be manual and slow when you are scaling. Others promise automatic results, but give you generic clips that need a ton of rework. The right tool finds the moments, suggests edits, and gives you publishing power in one place, so you can spend more time creating and less time doing admin. Back to practical B-roll tips. When a cut feels off, ask yourself if a quick clip or text would smooth it out. If you are using design software, try these tiny edits. Crop, nudge color, or add subtle motion. If you are using an AI clipper, let the system pick the highlights first. Often the suggested clip already has the ideal moment. You just need to dress it up. One more tip, keep things simple. Your B-roll doesn't have to be perfect or cinematic, it just needs to be relevant and unobtrusive. A short footage loop, a blurred photo, or a bold text callout will do the trick. Also, don't forget privacy and licensing when selecting your assets. Always look for free alternatives and focus on your own footage first. So in short, B-roll fixes choppy edits and hides mistakes. Design tools help you find and tweak assets. And AI tools speed up the entire process by finding the best parts of your long videos. Use them together and you will cut editing time and make your content feel way more polished. Next time you finish recording and something feels off, don't immediately jump back into a full re-record. Ask yourself, could a short B-roll clip, a photo, or a text overlay fix this? If yes, use your design tools for assets and AI tools to find the moments that need that polish. Your videos will look smoother, your posting will be more consistent, and you will spend way less time stuck behind the timeline. Creator bestie, you got this, and I will see you in the next video.